Hi everyone! Today we're going to demonstrate how to install Slide Simlead metal drawer system. We will divide it into two parts, the drawer side and the drawer runner.
There are 4 different heights for the drawer side. Here we will use the height 97mm and the runner length 450mm for today's demonstration.
Let's begin the installation from the drawer runner. Firstly, draw a line at 38mm from the bottom of the cabinets. As we are using the insert drawer today, we need to leave a space for thickness of the drawer front, plus another 4mm of push-open distance. Then measure another 37mm backward and make a mark. This will be the first drilling hole for the runner. Then use a 2.5mm drill bit to drill the holes. After mounting, please use a level instrument to check if they are level and do not slant toward back. After installation, make sure to flip the switch to the front on both sides. To ensure the runner is working perfectly fine, we should open and close it. First of all, assemble the drawer side with the drawer base and the back. The thickness of the base and the back are 16mm, and the width of both is the internal width of the cabinets minus 35mm. The length of the drawer base is the nominal length of the runner minus 8mm. Make sure the drawer base and the side are both aligned to the front end before drive screws into the fixed mounting holes. Then find out the center point of each drilling mattress and use a 5 2.5mm drill bits to drill the holes. Below hole patterns are measured from outside to inside. Now we're ready to insert the drawer into the runner. Place the drawer flat onto the runner and push it in place when you hear the click sound. Push open the drawer. Twist to release the front fixing bracket from the drawer side. Then place the drawer front and click into place, and the installation is complete. Here is the side-to-side adjustment with 1.5mm tolerance. You can also use the height adjustment with maximum 2mm tolerance when the drawer front is not horizontal. And here is the tilt adjustment. After the adjustment is all set, put on the cover cap. Please rotate the front roller underneath the runner if you need to adjust the depth. Use the bump at 0 point, then roll to the back to move it inward. Roll to the front to move it forward. You'll need to do that on both sides. To remove the drawer, simply press both locking devices inward to release it. To remove the drawer front, give a twist on adjustment screw from drawer side to release front fixing brackets. If you have a wider drawer or higher drawer front, we suggest to insert a Bishop synchronization rod to extend the trigger range. Make sure that the joints of the synchronization rod on both ends are aligned. That's all for today's demonstration. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.